Hi, I am Marissa Smyrski, and I will be your teacher today talking about elementary particles. And now you are all 8th graders, middle schoolers, so I'm going to try to come up with some examples for you. So first I want to define an elementary particle. An elementary particle is a particle that can no longer be broken down, which means that there are no other particles that make up elementary particles. And an example of an elementary particle is that of the shortbread cookie. And if you break the shortbread cookie in half, it's all the same. There's no different. It all looks the same. And compared to an Oreo cookie, you have where you can take it apart. There's top, bottom, and there's a center. So it is a particle in itself, but it's made up of elementary particles. I'm going to do an overview of the different types of elementary particles. The first is quarks, and quarks make up matter as well as leptons. But focusing on quarks, we have an up, down, charm, strange, top, and bottom quark. Now quarks must be put together as 2 or 3 all at once in order for them to make up matter. Then we have leptons, which must be isolated. They must be separate in order to make up matter. And types of leptons we have are electron, neutrino, electrons, muon, neutrinos, muons, tio, neutrinos, tios. And then we come over to where we have bosons. And bosons are responsible for forces between particles. And those are photons, Z bosons, W bosons, and gluons. Then we have the Higgs boson, which is responsible for mass also, as well as the quarks and leptons. Now, we are going to look at an example of quarks making up matter. Now, if we take an Oreo, now for electrons, they are themselves elementary particles, such as the shortbread cookie. But protons that are made up of 3 quarks. It entails 2 up quarks, which you can see is the top and bottom of the Oreo cookie. And then we have the cream inside, which will act as the down. So when all of these are put together, we have a proton. So it's elementary particles making up a proton. And I hope that was an interesting and little lesson for you about elementary particles, and I hope that you know more about them. And thank you.